Welcome to the Crypto Trading Channel. Today, we have breaking Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, and stablecoin news, so stay tuned. Also, we'll be analyzing the Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum charts, so let's get straight to it. USDT news today from Coin Paprika. Tether plans audit ahead of US stablecoin rules. Here are the key takeaways. Tether is talking to big companies like Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, and Ernst & Young to check if they are doing the right thing with their money. Tether wants these checks because some people think that stablecoins need to be watched more closely. The government in America is also thinking about how to make rules for stablecoins, which means Tether might have to let someone else look at their books. Some people say that this will help everyone understand if Tether has enough money in the right places. Tether says that they already have a lot of US dollars that are safe and secure. But other people are not so sure about whether Tether is telling the truth. They think that Tether should show all its papers from before to prove it's okay to use stablecoins in America. If Tether can't make everyone happy with their checks, then they might have problems using stablecoins in America later on. This could be a big deal for investors because if Tether can't work with the government, or if people don't trust them anymore, it might be harder for them to grow and make money. Moving on to Solana news today from Crypto Briefing. BlackRock brings in 1.7 billion tokenized treasury funds to Solana. Here are the article key takeaways. BlackRock, which takes care of money for many people, has made their special type of fund that uses digital coins called tokens available on the Solana network. Now, this is good news because it means more and more people can use BlackRock's fund to make money from tokens. Solana is really important place where people can buy and sell all kinds of things with digital coins. So adding BlackRock's special type of fund makes using Solana even better for lots of people. BlackRock isn't the only big company doing this kind of thing. Franklin Templeton also has a money market fund on Solana right now. This is helping more people use digital coins to make their money grow. If you have money with BlackRock, it might be easier for you to put your money into tokens and still get some interest back from them using Solana. This can help your money grow better and maybe even faster than ever before. Cardano news today. Cardano founder debunks ghost chain claims. What's going on? Here are the key takeaways. Charles Hoskinson, the man who made Cardano happen, is not happy with what some people are saying about his project. They say that fewer than 500 people are responsible for making lots of money using fake numbers. But Hoskinson doesn't agree. He says that Cardano's growth comes from real users and their actions, not from fake trading. Cardano still keeps growing right now. There are almost 2,000 projects working on the network, which is a lot of people doing cool things together. Also, more than 1 million wallets are using something called staking to keep Cardano running smoothly. So new things have been happening with Cardano too. For example, the Lace wallet now can use Bitcoin along with other coins and tokens. This means that people who use the Lace wallet can manage their Bitcoins right from it. This is a good thing for making all of those different kinds of coins working together better. Investors might want to pay attention because as Cardano keeps growing, it could be more and more useful and popular. If more people start using Cardano and other cool things keep happening on the network, that can make investing in Cardano a good idea. Finance news today from Crypto Briefing. Trump-backed USD1 stablecoin launch on the BNB chain. World Liberty Financial, WLFI, is creating a new stablecoin called USD1 on the BNB chain. This means that it might be easier for people who use crypto and those who don't use crypto to trade with each other. WLFI has already raised $550 million million from token sales, which means they have a lot of support and money to keep building their project. The company is also working with some big names in the blockchain world, like Chainlink and Audit, to make sure that everything works well together. They're focused on creating lending markets for real-world assets, like houses or cars, and helping traditional financial institutions understand how they can use these new kinds of digital currencies too. This can be important for investors because it might mean more stability in the crypto market. Stablecoins like USD1 are meant to keep their value stable, which is good for people who want to hold on to their money without worrying about big price swings. Plus, if WLFI continues work with big names and traditional financial institutions, it could help make cryptocurrencies more mainstream and give people new options for managing their wealth. Just remember that investing in any project can be risky, so it's always a good idea to do your own research before putting your money into anything. Ethereum news today from the block. Kentucky enacts law supporting self-custody of cryptocurrencies. Kentucky's governor is saying that people can use special types of money called Bitcoins and other coins safely in their state. This means that if someone has some Bitcoins or other digital assets, they don't need to worry about the government taking them away. Also, Kentucky doesn't want to stop companies from making more Bitcoin or helping others keep their digital coins safe. They think it's a good thing for people to use these special types of money because it can help with businesses and trading. Another new idea in Kentucky is that they might let some of their extra money go into digital coins like Bitcoin. This would be a big deal if it happens, because not many places are doing this kind of thing. If more states in the United States start letting their money go into digital assets, it can make those coins even more popular and valuable. Investors should pay attention to what's happening in Kentucky. They're showing that they think digital assets can be just as important as regular fiat currency, which might help the price of these coins go up. Worldcoin news today. OpenAI CEO World Network eyes partnership with Visa to integrate card features into self-custody crypto wallet. World Network, which used to be called Worldcoin, is talking with Visa about making their wallet work better on lots of different computers and phones. This would make it easy for people who use the World Network wallet to pay for things and send money all around the world. If they can work this out with Visa, more people might want to use the World Network wallet because it could be even more helpful than before. Some other companies are helping with this idea too, like Rain, which is backed by big companies that help with coins called cryptos. World Network also made a new way for people to talk to each other on their phones using something called World Chat. This lets people who use the World Network wallet send messages and money safely. All of these things could make World Network more popular, which might make it even better for investors who want to do well with digital assets. If you want to stay updated on important breaking crypto news and crypto Elliott wave analysis, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Now we're going to transition into analyzing the Bitcoin price action chart. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame. And what we can see is Bitcoin is still stalling. And the last high was hit yesterday at 5 a.m. on Monday. Bitcoin has still failed to touch the 78.6 retracement level on the 12-hour time frame and continues to trade sideways. If we move down to the 3-hour time frame for Bitcoin, it appears that Bitcoin has still not made a new high. What we're going to do is we're going to label this a potential wave 1, put a question mark there. And then we're going to label this top wave potential wave 2 question mark because we don't know. Price has traded back into the previous trading range of the last high, but has still failed to make a new low. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this last alert that we made and draw a new alert from $86,350. We're going to extend this out and then we're going to make the line even, paste, and we're going to type in previous higher low and put broken. No, we're just going to say previous higher low. We're going to press enter. Then we're going to click add alert. And we want this alert to go off when the price is crossing down. Previous higher low broken. For the message, we're going to type previous higher low broken. Consider potential short positions. Now we're going to move down to we're going to move back to the 12-hour time frame and see what the RSI indicator is showing. And the RSI indicator on the 12-hour time frame is showing that Bitcoin is still bearish. So we should only be looking for potential bear or short opportunities. If we go back to the 3-hour time frame, the RSI indicator is showing that the 3-hour is bearish and we should only be looking for bearish opportunities as well. And if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the 1-hour RSI is bullish, but we might have if the 1-hour time frame crosses down past the slow line, then we could look for potential short positions. Change this to a line chart. We actually can't tell what this is. Actually, this might be a potential wave 0, wave A wave B, and a potential wave C. We're going to color this yellow and we're going to make this minute. And we're going to draw a trend line from the potential wave B on the 1-hour time frame and extend it. Copy, paste. So we have our new trend line on the 1-hour time frame, which has been extended at $87,085.49. We're going to click enter. Don't forget to name this wave B trading range. Consider short positions. Click OK. And then we're going to create an alert. If price crosses down, then we want the message to say wave B trading range. Consider short positions. Click create. So we have 2 alerts now. We have one alert for the potential wave 1 trading range, and we labeled this the previous higher low, and we want to look for potential short positions. And if price breaks the potential wave B low on the 1-hour time frame at $87,085, which we assume might be a wave B, then we want to look for potential short positions. Moving on to the Ethereum chart, it appears that looking at the RSI indicator on the 12-hour time frame for Ethereum, the RSI is showing that price is bearish. So we should only be looking for potential short positions. And it appears that price has tapped into the trading range of the potential wave C 2 times. Once on Monday at 5 p.m. and again today on Tuesday at 5 a.m. And if we move down to the 3-hour time frame, it appears that price has made an impulse bearish and then a retracement bullish, and price might be continuing bearish. The RSI indicator is also showing that we should only be looking for potential short positions because the RSI is bearish, but it is bearish oversold. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that all of Tuesday, price has just been consolidating. And let's move this to the line chart to see this more clearly. And let's start labeling this. This could be a potential wave 1A question mark because we do not know yet. And let's see if price has reached an area to complete a retracement. So we're going to say yes, price has reached an area to complete a retracement by reaching the 61.8% Fibonacci level, which we've drawn from the previous high on Monday at 4 a.m. to the previous low, which was created on Monday at 9 p.m. And what do we want to do? If the market trades past the last higher low, then we want to look for potential short positions. So we're going to draw our trend line, which we've drawn our trend line at $2,043. We're going to straighten out our trend line, paste, and then we're going to label this potential wave 1/A trading range. Consider short positions. Click OK. We're going to create an alert, and we want this alert to be triggered if price is crossing down. And we want the message to say potential wave 1/A trading range. Consider short positions. Click create. And all right, if price trades past the potential wave 1, we forgot one thing. We should label this a wave 2 or B. We do not know yet. But if price trades past the potential wave 1 or A, then we want to be looking for short positions. And also we need to wait for the 1-hour RSI to cross bearish past the moving average on the RSI. Now we're on the Solana chart on the 12-hour time frame. If we zoom in, we can see that price has, okay, let's delete this right here. Delete, and let's relabel this. This is a potential wave 0. This is a wave 1 or A. This is wave 2 or B, and this is potential wave 3 or C. We're going to make this minor. Nope, we're going to make this. We want to draw a new trend line. We want to draw the trend line from the wave A closing range, which is at $135.76, and extend this over. And then we want to make it even. We want to label this wave A trading range. Consider short positions. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to set alert for if price is crossing down from the trend line set for the wave A trading range. And we want our message to say wave A trading range, consider short positions, which it does. We're going to click create. We're also going to create a alert for the wave B trading range at $123.45. Extend this over and label this wave B trading range. Consider short positions. Click OK. Make sure this is even. We're going to click OK now, and we're going to create the alert. We're going to create this alert for if price is crossing down, and the message should say wave B trading range, consider short positions. Click create. And now let's reevaluate the chart. For Solana on the 12-hour time frame, the RSI indicator is bearish, indicating that we should only be looking for short positions. Price has potentially made a wave 5 of C and has reached an area to potentially complete the wave 5 of C. If we move down to the 3-hour time frame, we can see that price has made a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to complete a potential wave C, and we are going to draw a new trend line at the potential wave 4 at $139.63, and we're going to extend this out. We're going to make the trend line even, and we're going to type wave 4 trading range, consider short positions. Enter, and then we want to set alert if price is crossing down from the wave 4 trading range, and we want our message to say wave 4 trading range, consider short positions, which is correct. Click create. So we have 3 trend lines. We have one for the wave 4 trading range to look for short positions. We have one for the wave A trading range where we will be looking for short positions. And we have a third trend line for the wave B trading range where we will also be looking for short positions. Also, this is aligned with the 12-hour time frame, since the RSI on the 12-hour time frame is showing we should only be looking for potential short positions. Let's look on the 1-hour time frame to see what's going on, and it looks like there might be a potential soon-to-be short opportunity because price might make a bearish cross on the 1-hour RSI, which will mean that 3 time frames will be in sync with each other. The 12-hour time frame, 3-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time. Let's move to a line chart, and it does appear that price is traded back into the wave 3, and price does seem to be making a bullish impulse, but we're gonna need price to reverse bearish. We could set alert right now for the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator is crossing bearish. We want to be alerted when the fast line crosses a slow line, only when it's crossing down. And we're just going to leave the message as default. Moving on to XRP. On the 12-hour time frame for XRP, it appears that price is still very unclear. We've made a bullish impulse starting on March 10th and ending on Friday the 14th of March. And then we had a retracement and then another bullish impulse starting on the 18th of March and ending on the 19th of March. And then we've had down to sideways price action ever since. But the 12-hour time frame is still showing that we should only be looking for bearish positions since the RSI is still bearish. Moving on to the 3-hour time frame, we can see that price has made a bearish impulse since the last highest high and has made a 5-wave trend bearish. Price has also made a potential ABC wave, and price might be continuing bearish, but we don't know yet. We need price to break the wave B trading range. Price is already trading back into the wave A trading range, but has made a retracement bullish. The 3-hour RSI is showing that we should only be looking for bearish positions since the RSI is bearish. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame, it appears that price might have made a high. Let's draw a retracement from the last recent high all the way down to the low. And then, yep, price has almost tagged the 78.6 retracement. And for the closing range, price has already tapped the 61.8% retracement on the 1-hour time frame. Also, for the RSI indicator on the 1-hour time frame, price is in the overbought position and appears that it might be making a bearish cross soon. Let's make another alert on the 1-hour time frame at $2.44. We're gonna move this over. We're gonna make the trend line even. We're gonna type last higher low, consider short positions. Then we're going to click enter. Also, we're going to make this a potential alert. If price is crossing down this trend line we just created, and we want the message to say last higher low, consider short positions, and click create. So if price breaks the trend line we just created at $2.44, then we want to look for another potential short position. Also, if price trades back into the potential wave A trading range, we want to look for more short positions. So we're going to re-enable this alert by clicking on the trend line and clicking save. Now the alert's back re-enabled. And if price trades back into the wave B trading range, which we have labeled at $2.38, then we want to look for additional short positions. If you want to stay updated on important breaking crypto news and crypto Elliott wave analysis, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Crypto moves fast, and so should you. My clients gained over 3% this month. Don't get left behind. Whether it's trading DeFi or getting started, I'll help you take action now. Book a 30-minute strategy call for $75 or a full 60-minute session for $100 today. Links are in the video description and pinned comments.